I can guarantee you making $1,000 is not a hard task to do. You can literally make it in a week. Okay, not in a week, in a month. You can definitely do that completely passive. Let me show you how. This is a live account, as you can see right here, and we made 997 in a single week. How? Using this simple concept, as you can see right here. There's a master account, and then there are some sub accounts that are connected to this account here. So it means that whatever trade that this trader takes, it will be copied on these accounts as well. Super simple. You don't have to do anything yourself. You don't have to analyze the market, or I don't know, blow your account, or whatever happens to your account. None of them will happen to you because you're simply connected to this trader here. Whenever he trades, that trade will be copied to your account, and then you can share your profit with him at the end of the month. That's the only thing you need to do. And as you can see, guys, it's completely passive. Did I analyze the market? No. Did I set up anything? No, absolutely not. Super simple. And a lot of people underestimate the power of automated solutions, whether it's social trading or expert advisors, and they just want to go for the hard way. They want to find a strategy that simply doesn't work, and they want to make it work by force. That's not how it's done. Use a social trading, make passive income, withdraw your cash.